Hi guys, in the last session we have seen introduction of Angular. In this session we will see how to create an Angular project using Angular CLI. Let's start by creating it. I am creating an empty folder onto the desktop. You can create wherever you want. Angular app I am naming it. Inside this folder I am opening command prompt cmd and I am entering the command ng new sample. Here I am giving the project name as sample, which will be taking some time and it will be asking some questions during the installation like routing and the CSS file. So I am selecting here as CSS. Here the project has been created successfully. Let's navigate to the project folder cd sample. Let's open the project in the VS Code. It is opening the VS Code and I am running the project by using ngserve. So let's see the list of files generated while creating the project. So here we will see some important files: package.jsn and src folder. Package.jsn will be containing dependencies and dev dependencies, you can see here, and it will be containing the script to start the project. And if we navigate to src folder, here the main.ts is the main file which will start the execution and it will act as an entry point for the project. So here it will find the app module and it will bootstrap the app module. If we navigate to the app module, it will be having app declarations, imports, providers. Here it will find the app component and it will bootstrap the app component. If we navigate to app component, it will be having selector, template URL and style URLs. Selector is nothing but whatever we write inside this app.component.html will be rendered onto app-root selector. So app-root will be in index.html. So while we creating a component, three files will be generating: ts file, which is nothing but class file, and an HTML file and an CSS or CSS file. So here if you see the component file, it will be decorated with the @component. We'll discuss more about components and modules in the upcoming sessions. For now, let's see what is module and the architecture of module. So module is a collection of components, directives, pipes which are related to the application. Modules can be imported and exported to achieve the reusability. So modules can contain like services which will provide the business logic and data to the component. The sample page will be look like this: header components, sidebar and the main container. Architecture of summary. By default, Angular app contains one root module and it can contain one or more feature modules. Based on the requirement, we can able to create the feature modules. If it is a simple application, one root module will be enough. And a component contains HTML plus a class file. Just now we have seen. That's it for this session, guys. We'll see more on components and modules in the later session. Thank you guys for watching.